Hey there! Welcome to Quick Tech Bites, where we explore the latest in tech made simple. Today, we are tackling a fun and futuristic topic: how to build an AI like Jarvis, Tony Stark's personal assistant from the Iron Man movies. While we can't exactly build a fully functional Jarvis yet, I'll explain the steps to create a basic AI assistant using today's technology. Let's get into it. Jarvis, as seen in the movies, is an ultra-sophisticated AI that can control entire systems, hold conversations, and even fight off bad guys. In reality, we are not quite there yet. However, we can build AI assistants that are voice-activated, can control smart devices, respond to commands, and even help with tasks like managing your calendar or playing your favorite music. To create an AI assistant like Jarvis, you'll need a few basic tools. Programming language Python is a great choice. It's easy to learn and has powerful libraries for building AI like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Speech recognition, you'll need a way for your AI to listen to commands. Libraries like speech recognition or APIs like Google's speech-to-text can help with that. Natural language processing, NLP, to give your AI the ability to understand and respond to commands. You can use NLP models like OpenAI's GPT or Dialogflow by Google. Integration with smart devices. If you want your AI to control smart devices, you'll need to connect it with platforms like Alexa Skills Kit, Google Home API, or IoT tools that let you control lights, cameras, and more. So, how do you start building your AI? Here's a simplified version. Speech input. Start by setting up a voice recognition system using Python libraries or APIs. This allows your AI to listen to your commands. Processing the command. Next, you'll integrate NLP to process what's being said. This is where GPT models or Dialogflow can help your AI understand the context. Generating a response. Once your AI understands the command, it needs to respond. You can program specific actions or let AI models generate conversational responses. Connecting smart devices. If you want your AI to control things like lights, music, or thermostats, integrate IoT APIs to give your assistant some real-world powers. As technology advances, we are getting closer to making AI assistants as smart as Jarvis. With the power of machine learning, AI can continue to evolve, learning from interactions and becoming more personalized. In the future, your AI assistant might not just answer questions, it could anticipate your needs and handle complex tasks autonomously. While building a full Jarvis isn't possible yet, we can definitely create AI assistants that are helpful, fun, and powerful with today's tools. If you want to learn more or need help getting started, drop your questions in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Tech Bites for more cool tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.